Welcome back, everybody. Today we're just going to go through a little nature walk. Got my walking stick with me, got my rain boots on. Just came basically a small flood earlier and it finally quit raining. And I've been really wanting to go down here after a heavy rain to see how high the water levels rise. So I got my walking stick just in case, because it is going to be pretty slippery even with these boots on. You can see where flood debris and stuff, there's even a shoe down here now, where flood debris and stuff has been deposited down here from the heavy rains from earlier. You see a whole bunch of runoffs over there. Let's just keep going. I also want to see if that turtle is still here or any signs of him. Oh, okay, this is a dead animal. Oh, I think that's actually deer fur, to be honest with you. That's exactly what that looks like. Like maybe shedding of some sort? Huh, that's new. I was down here the other day. But I'm pretty sure there are a few deer that live back here, or at least eat back here. You can see a whole bunch of signs of them through here where they dig up stuff. If y'all remember from our last video, it flooded pretty well. You see how deep it is over there, and then this is where the water levels stopped, right where these leaves are at. So it came a flood basically. That means that the water levels from the main stream over here, the waters are still going. Let me just walk through here. Whoa, that sunk down pretty deep. We better be careful because only one person knows I'm out here, and she is like 2 hours away. You can see Joey's footprints and stuff. I wouldn't say they're coyotes, even though we do have coyotes out here. They'll wake you up in the middle of the night fighting each other. It's a little scary at first until you realize what it is. But actually, let's head this way, because this way was where the turtle was at. If I remember correctly, things have changed a little bit due to the weather. Let's get on up here. Oh yeah. There's a bandana or something right there, that little blue thing. There's a lot of trash out here. Should have brought a bag. I do not believe the turtle is here anymore, just because actually this is where it was at, because of that tire across the way. Because this was down a lot further. We had to high step it right here, and we stepped over to this. And before the rains came, he was about right here in this area. He is not here anymore. But let's go back to the main waterway. Joey is out here with me. He's just doing his own little thing at the moment. Let's see. Don't want to sink down. I do want to go see what's on the other side of this river over here. Not really a river. It's more of a stream. And the flood water has rose quite a bit. I thought I was going to be able to cross it. There's no way I'm crossing. Oh, shoot. Either something jumped in the water or tried to jump out the water. When the water is super low, I hardly. Oh, there went something. It was a frog. Hope I got that on camera. I don't think there's any more right here. Nope. There's a hanger right here of some sorts. There's no way I can get that out. What if there's a shallow part somewhere? You probably hear Joey's collar jingling in the background. He should be joining up with us pretty soon. There are a lot of spiders out here today as well. Mostly grass and huntsman spiders. Let's call for Joey real quick. Joey! Keep on going. I see little trails and stuff. Looks like from worms, most likely. Worms, slugs, or snails, one or the other. I highly doubt it's a snake, just because it doesn't have that unique wave pattern to it. Here he comes. He's coming and running. I wonder if there's any creatures caught in these little, basically tide, not really tide pools, but little, I guess, water pits. What is the name for them? Flood water rises. They get stuck. Can't get out. So we'll look for that as well on our little trip today. I wish I had a pair of waders. I could actually get about waist deep or even deeper in these pools. Because that water out there would probably soak my boots and then some. Whoa. As soon as I said it, just about fell in. Super slippery through here. So let's be a little careful. Let's see. Try to get through here safely. So much garbage and trash through here. It's kind of sad, upsetting. I didn't realize how close this was to the houses. I thought it was a lot further away. Let's go ahead. Let's go meet up with Joey over here. Tree done slapped me in the head. Now, I know I just walked through it, I didn't mean to. But there's basically a trail all the way through there. It went from body of water to body of water right here. My guess is going to be, oh, my hands are in the way. I guess it would have to be a turtle. I doubt there's really anything bigger in these waterways. And I doubt a frog would make that type of path. Oh, look right there. Little paw prints and stuff. Hopefully you can see it on camera. Let's see if I can zoom in. right here. Oh, looking in too far. Right there. Those are raccoon tracks. There's even some across the way right there, right through here, up and up and up and up and out. Pretty sure those are raccoon tracks just because of the nails they have on them. I don't think anything else in here besides maybe a possum would have about that same thing. Same size foot. But I think the possum actually has like an extra appendage, an extra finger, if you will, on their hands. So it wouldn't look like this. It would have like an extra little nub on the end. Let's keep on walking through here. It gets more shallow, but the foliage does get thicker. Just get through here. There's a lot more tracks through here. There's one there, there. I actually see them going all the way through there. But I got my boots on, so we'll be fine. Oop. It's a weird looking rock. Never seen one that dark before. Actually, this stuff I'm standing on now looks super squishy, like you would slip right through it. This right here, that one, I'm not sure what that was or would be. This is all flood debris. What is that? Thought I saw something in the brush, but let's try right here how thick it is and everything. I would say it's a snake, but it doesn't look like the regular pattern of a snake. But I could be wrong. Could be not always correct. Let's keep on walking. Just look at all this garbage. I think Joey just found something. We'll go over there in a second. Oh yeah, the water's gotten pretty deep since the last time we were down here. It's brought up a lot of garbage. Walking into a lot of spider webs. Huh. Let me see if we can go through. I'll backtrack just a little bit. And let's see if we can cut through here. Oh, almost fell. Something big just went in the water. See if we can get across over here. We'll keep going a little ways. Then I think it gets a little too thick. Joey's already ahead of us. I know at the very end of this, there's a big lake I want to go to one day. But I think we should have done that when the waters were low. Joey, come on. He's actually going into somebody's backyard. Oof. So we almost fell earlier. Just try not to fall again. Let's see. I actually want to get away from the houses just so Joey doesn't bother anybody. Whew. Let's cut through here. My boots feel about 3 times heavier with all this dirt caked on them. Joy loves coming out here. So I thought today, while I had a little bit of free time. Oh, looky there. It's a crawdad. It's dead, but still, it's a crawdad. And it's actually probably where this hole came from right here. That hole is pretty deep. That is pretty cool. There's actually another one right there. So these are crawdad holes. And usually you can find them near bodies of water. Sorry, it took so long to answer that. You're never really supposed to pick up anything dead. I'm not sure how he died though. He does look very interesting though, doesn't he? So what we're gonna do, just because I know someone's gonna eat him, I'm gonna toss him in the water over here, just so he doesn't attract other creatures to him. So what we're gonna do is gonna toss him right there, sort of in the middle. And there we go. You do want to wash your hands when you get done handling stuff like that. So let's make our way down to the water. And you also want to use hot soapy water when you get back to your home. But for the moment, oh, there went a frog. Hopefully I caught that on camera. There's a lot of frogs out here today. I can hear somebody out in their backyard. I wonder, I'm pretty sure it gets deep right there. Might even go and try it. So let's start making our way back. I kind of don't want to scare them. Because not many people are out here walking in the woods in the middle of the day. But I also need to get back home. Is that a golf ball? Huh. We'll take that with us. And Joey's a huge fan of golf balls. Sorry, I had a spider web in my mouth. He's a huge fan of golf balls and tennis balls. I don't know why. Dang. I'm not sure if somebody hit that so hard it cracked open or it's so old it started to deteriorate. Well, it sounds like whoever is out in their backyard is arguing with somebody or upset about something. But there's another spider. Multiple. There are some big things plopping in the water today. It's a little concerning. But, oh, just broke that tree branch on my shoulder. That felt wonderful. Let's see. Alright, let's get through here. I'm pretty excited to find these crawdad holes. Even though, of course, there's nothing in them now, I'm still going to check. Oh. There was something down there. Usually if I had a bucket of water, you could dump water in there and get a reaction from them. Let's slowly make our way back. Try to get away from all these people's houses and stuff. We'll keep on looking for stuff as we're heading on back. And hopefully this time we can actually find a creature that's alive instead of dead. And that's out of the water instead of just jumping in the water. I'm just glad this foliage is thick enough so where I'm at now, the people don't think I'm some type of creep. Oof. Look, there's another paw print from a raccoon. There's a whole bunch of them. You can see where they dug. Oh, that's Joey's footprint. Never mind. But it does line up very well with the raccoon tracks. Oh, almost fell again. Joey, come on. Come on. There you go. Come on, boy. There. You probably caught a quick glimpse of him, didn't you? Okay. Slowly making our way back, getting caught on tree branches and stuff. I would love to find another turtle again. Let's see. This almost fell over here too. I'm just gonna grab this dead tree branch. It's not a safe sentence to say. But it gives me a little bit of support. Just make my way through. Okay. Alrighty. Made it through there. Till we get back up on this hill. There we go. Whole bunch of mushrooms. Super solid mushrooms on this dead tree. Let's keep on going. Ooh, ooh. Alrighty. Oh, I thought it was something in the water. It was just a leaf. Let's see here. It's nice and peaceful when nobody else is out here with you. Especially like in an open area like this right here. There's not a lot of trees you have to duck under. You just walk and take your time. I've been finding a lot of wood out here with nails in it. It's not really safe. Joey's after something. He's got another bone. Hey, shh. He's got another bone. Hey, shh. Hey, hang on, I'll get it back to you. Wait. So, this will be bone number 4 that he's brought to us. See if we can wash it off for him real quick. He really loves bones. Bones, tennis balls, and golf balls. Hang on. I know it. Hang on, hang on. Oof. My foot just sunk down pretty deep. You want it? Take it. Take it. Or get it. Ooh. There we go. Got my foot unstuck. Get the bone. Get it. Okay, fine. Oh, okay, here. Jumped up and grabbed. Come on, this way. Come on. She's a pretty good bone finder. Another one? Get it. Get it. Get the bone. Get it. Or dig it up. He's gonna have to get a bath. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I wonder if there is another bone through here. Just by stabbing, no. There's a few roots, that's about it. But his nose is a lot better than mine, so he probably did find a bone through there. Maybe a little bit deeper down. Found another hole right here. Nothing in it. Poke that brush pile, make sure there's nothing in it before I cross over. I believe I just ate a spider web. Okay. Let's see. He took off running. We're getting pretty close to the house now. Joey loves being out here. So far we have found bone number 4. We have found a tennis ball. No, excuse me. Take that back. A golf ball. And a dead crawdad or crawfish, however you want to pronounce it. Easier term would just be a mini lobster. Wonder how deep this is. Oh, ooh, what is that? If only this water was clear. There he is. Come on back to the surface. There he is. Is that a dragonfly? Dang it. See if we can hop over real quick. There was something in that water. Ooh. See if I can get through here. Whatever it was, it's gone now. But it was swimming around in there. Best way I can describe it was a super skinny scorpion. It kind of looked like a dragonfly as well, with no wings. Let's see, I see something bubbling. This little water pit over here. See if we can find, well, call those water striders. I'm not sure their technical name. But you can probably see why I call it a water strider, the way it, if I get it to move. Huh. Oh, where'd he go? I was looking at something else. Well, it would be fascinating to find like a snapping turtle or something like that, especially in a small body of water. But most of the time they bury themselves in mud. Yeah, we can get through here. Oh, there he is. That's why they're called a water strider. Huh, there's a weird looking pipe over there. Ooh. That is pretty crazy though, how high that water got. So, all the way down from the river. It had to fill that up and then overflow into here. That is a large amount of water. Whew. Well, Joey's already took off without me. I'm pretty sure he's already up at the house. So let's head on back up and hopefully we find something else that's not garbage. Because usually just everything through here is nothing but garbage that people have threw out. Yep, glass bottle. Another glass bottle. That was interesting though, this right here. The deer fur. And then something that I missed earlier as well, that I can't believe I missed, I stepped right over it. This bone right here. This is bone number 5. I'm pretty sure it's the like shoulder blade because how flat it is right there. It's the only bone that I know that's actually that flat. And also, as I was looking down at this fur, I saw a smaller pile of darker fur right here as well. You can tell by the coloration of it. Well, the more that I think about it, it's most likely deer fur, but also could be raccoon. We saw the raccoon footprints down by the water. I know this has got to be deer because how white it is. Now this right here, I believe is also going to be deer, just because how close it is to the other deer pile. But still, it could also be a little bit of both. So let's head on back up. Maybe we missed something else that we didn't see coming down. Just take our time and look around. See if we can find anything new. Maybe Joey will find something for us. Come on, let's go back up. I can probably see all the dirt covering his body. All the rest of the stuff that I see. Oh, looky there. A tennis ball. A tennis ball, a golf ball, and bone number 4 and 5 today. Somebody's clothes right there. It's been out here for a while. They got moss growing on them. Well, I doubt we're gonna find anything else just because the house is only a few feet away, but you never know. Let's see. Nope. Well, I believe that'll conclude our little nature walk with Joey today. So just to recap, we found bone number 4 and 5. We found a dead crawfish. We found a tennis ball and a golf ball. And I almost fell about 4 or 5 times today. Come on, sit for him, Joey. Come on, sit down. So, thank you all for joining me and Joey today on our little trip. And I'll see y'all next time.